On the front, we have Auxilium Buddhist Secondary School, Melbourne. The motto of the school is virtue and knowledge. The flag bearer is Habashisha Marway, flag bearer is Peterson Mabari, and commander of the Peterson is Lopez Marway. Now, Auxilium is introduced to the certificate. Up next is Lancery Presbyterian Secondary School. Motto of the school is Enter the Grove, Pipa Deserve. Plakat bearer Bandrama Longkong. Plakat flag bearer Tin Kuan Prabha. I'm sorry. Nathan Shine Mabana and commander is Tinjau Roy Wan. Next is Langkor Higher Secondary School. Motto Jemsa Shapra. Led by Plakat. One has sign. Each student must train hard for this moment. Braving everyone in long miles of walk. The unity and spirit of the student values, dedication, excellence, and love. Tatlo sa pinagkalang bantay regular di P. Ibayo, Nakpa, Nakapinip, Nakatipipu, Up next is Mara Vidya Jyoti Inclusive Secondary School. Motto of the school, Together we achieve. Led by Plakat bearer Earth Nama Pakoto Marway, Commander Abdullah Mabanya, and flag bearer Suma Vindo Mohammed.